These are the Torras camera lens protectors for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra I was sent to review. So let me show you a closer look, including how to install them and how to remove them. So here they are, and here's your little installation kit and your instruction manual. In the instruction manual, you'll see about your worry-free program with 1-year warranty, 24/7 fast support, and free replacement. On the back, it goes over exactly how to install them. It's one piece, so it is super easy as opposed to the ones where it's each individual lens. No thanks. First, we're gonna clean the lenses. In your kit, you've got the wet wipes, the Torras branded reusable dry wipe, and dust removal stickers. So let's go. The S26 Ultra isn't even out yet as I'm recording this, so we're using a dummy phone based on the new model. This is just for point of showing you how to install these and what it's gonna look like. Dry them off. If you have any dust or hair or anything, you can use the sticker, just kind of like wrap around your finger and tap, tap, tap. It says pull, just peel that off like so. Then you're just going to line this up and stick it on top of your lenses, press down, and then remove this. That is so cool. So now this is installed. Look at that. It's gorgeous. These feature military-grade 9H plus aerospace glass to protect from scratches, anti-reflective coating for a ghost-free 4K clarity, and they're engineered with over 95% light transmission and less than 0.8% reflection to ensure zero loss in image quality. They also feature an oleophobic layer to repel fingerprints, and they're designed to blend in, not to stand out, matching the metal texture for a nothing there sensation. However, I got the black and I think it's a really cool contrast. So maybe that's what you're going for. Here's a side by side. This is without the lens protectors and this is with the black lens protectors on with the black rim. Then don't get rid of this little installation tool because this is also going to help you get these off in case you want to remove them. So you're just going to use this little bit here. See how it's shaped? However, I just find it easier to just use my fingernail to just get up in there. It's actually much easier. There they are. They stick really well, but they're not super hard to get off either. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. These are so slim, not really adding any bulk, so they're compatible with 99% of cases. They're super easy to install, also easy to remove, a great way to protect your S26 Ultra lenses.